Tons of coconuts arrive daily, entering the first stage of rigorous processing. The automated line takes over, ensuring a steady flow into the plant. First, a high-pressure wash removes all field dust and soil.
Every surface is scrubbed clean, preparing the fruit for dehusking.
Powerful mechanical arms strip away the thick, fibrous husk in seconds. What once took minutes by hand is now accomplished instantly. The husks aren't wasted. They are collected for use in agriculture and textiles. Now, the hard inner shell must be cracked to reach the meat. Automated precision blades strike with calculated force, splitting the hard shell perfectly while keeping the kernel intact.
Skilled artisans use specialized tools to gently pry away the shell, leaving the brown-skinned kernel completely intact.
High-speed paring machines gently shave away the brown skin, revealing the pristine, pure white meat underneath.
A second, thorough wash in agitated water ensures the coconut meat is absolutely pristine before further processing. Glistening with fresh water, the clean coconut meat ascends the conveyor belt towards the final inspection deck.
The coconut meat enters a high-temperature steam blancher to eliminate potential bacteria and ensure absolute food safety.
Controlled high temperatures effectively sterilize the surface of the coconut meat, without cooking the delicate flesh inside.
Precise thermal control is monitored constantly, maintaining the exact temperature required for sterilization and quality preservation.
Emerging sterile and steaming hot from the tunnel, the coconut meat is now fully prepared for extraction. Rapid cooling fans blow chilled air over the meat, instantly locking in the natural flavor and texture. Advanced sensors and metal detectors scan every inch of the line to ensure no foreign materials are present. Solid white meat is collected in massive hoppers, ready to be transformed into rich, liquid gold. Heavy-duty industrial grinders spin at high velocity to pulverize the coconut meat into a fine, consistent pulp.
Breaking down the tough cellular structure effectively releases the rich, natural oils and creamy milk trapped inside.
The result of this process is a fine, moist coconut flake, prime for the pressing and extraction stage. Giant industrial screw presses squeeze the shredded pulp with immense mechanical pressure to extract every drop.
The mechanical pressure builds intensely within the chamber, forcing the rich liquid out of the fibrous pulp. Thick, pure, and creamy coconut milk begins to flow freely from the press, marking the extraction success. The dry, fibrous residue is carefully separated and collected, leaving behind only the pure, rich liquid extract. Gallons of fresh, opaque white milk collect in the holding tank, ready for the next stage of refinement.
Multi-stage filtration systems work tirelessly to remove even the smallest remaining particles of fiber from the milk. Microfilters trap impurities, ensuring a perfectly smooth, grit-free consistency in every single drop of coconut milk. Powerful industrial pumps generate the force needed to move the liquid swiftly to the main mixing hall. In the grand mixing hall, the coconut milk is carefully standardized to ensure perfect consistency across batches.
Natural stabilizers are precisely added to the mixture, preventing separation
and ensuring a smooth texture in the bottle. Gentle but constant agitation within the tanks creates a uniform, silky blend that is perfectly smooth and homogenized.
Next, the heavy-duty homogenizer breaks down fat globules under immense pressure to create a stable, creamy emulsion.
Thousands of pounds of pressure are applied, ensuring the rich cream never separates from the liquid base.
Large fat particles are shattered into microscopic droplets, resulting in a texture that remains perfectly smooth.
The result is a texture as smooth as silk, visually confirming the success of the homogenization process.
Flash pasteurization heats the milk rapidly to kill bacteria while preserving the fresh taste of the coconut. Heat is exchanged efficiently through these plates, preserving the coconut's natural nutrients and delicate flavor profile intact.
Precise steam control is critical for the UHT process, ensuring rapid heating without damaging the product quality.
The milk is instantly cooled down to lock in freshness, effectively preventing any cooked flavor from developing. The finished milk rests in sterile holding tanks, awaiting final approval before moving to the bottling line.
The spike at 400 nanometers is significant.
I agree. Let's verify the baseline calibration immediately.
Precision instruments measure fat content and density to the exact microgram, guaranteeing consistent quality.
Viscosity is careful checked to ensure that perfect, creamy pour that you expect every single time. Acidity levels are chemically balanced for optimal taste, freshness, and extended shelf life. Microbiology tests confirm the product is completely sterile and structurally perfect before release.
The approved milk is pumped directly to the high-speed bottling line, where efficiency meets precision.
Automated valves open precisely, releasing the sterile liquid to the filling stations downstream.
High-precision flow meters track every drop with digital accuracy, ensuring inventory control.
Empty bottles begin their journey in the unscrambler, starting as a chaotic pile before finding order.
Chaotic piles are instantly organized into a disciplined single file, ready for cleaning and filling. High-pressure ionized air blasts remove any microscopic dust particles from inside the containers.
UV light provides a final sterilization sweep, ensuring the bottles are clinically clean before filling. The bottles now enter the sterile filling chamber, the heart of the packaging operation.
Here, speed meets precision, as the rotary filler processes hundreds of bottles every single minute.
Precision nozzles fill each bottle to the exact milliliter, creating a perfect swirl without a single drop spilled.
Advanced valves stop the flow instantly, preventing even a single drop of waste from occurring. Filled bottles move instantly and smoothly to the capping station, minimizing exposure time.
Caps are sorted, oriented, and fed continuously, ready to seal in the freshness.
High-torque heads apply the cap instantly, creating an airtight seal that guarantees safety. Sealed and safe, the bottles exit the sterile zone, moving as one unit towards final packaging.
Laser sensors verify the seal integrity instantly, rejecting any bottle that isn't perfectly closed.
The accumulation table buffers the flow, keeping efficiency high and ensuring a steady supply to the labeler. High-speed applicators dress the bottles in their brand identity, transforming a container into a product. Precision brushes smooth out every bubble, ensuring a flawless presentation on the shelf.
Now fully branded and recognizable, the bottles move forward to receive their unique identification codes.
Laser coaters etch the batch number and expiry date permanently onto the bottle's surface.
Traceability is key, ensuring accountability and safety for every single bottle produced. X-ray scanners peer through the bottle to guarantee purity, looking inside without ever touching the product. This advanced imaging technology ensures absolute safety by detecting even the smallest foreign particles.
Automated weight checks confirm that every customer gets exactly the amount of product they paid for.
Bottles are grouped into convenient packs and wrapped for efficient distribution to stores worldwide. Gentle heat shrinks the film tight, creating a secure, durable bundle ready for handling.
Emerging secure and tightly wrapped, the packs are now ready for the automated case packer.
Robotic arms handle the heavy lifting with tireless precision, packing cases at incredible speeds.
Packed securely and efficiently, the cases are prepared for the long journey to markets worldwide. Sealed, labeled, and secured, the case is now complete and ready for palletizing. Automated shipping labels direct the product to its specific destination with perfect accuracy. Palletizers stack the cases with geometric efficiency, maximizing stability for transport. Wrapped tight for stability, the pallet is now ready for storage and shipping. In the massive distribution center, thousands of liters await their journey to kitchens around the world. Efficient logistics and skilled handling ensure that the milk reaches you as fresh as the day it was made. Trucks are loaded around the clock, bound for supermarkets, restaurants, and kitchens across the nation. From the tropical plantation to the open road, the journey is one of care, quality, and passion.
Freshness sealed at the source is now unlocked in your home, delivering the true taste of the tropics. Rich, creamy, and full of natural flavor, it is the perfect addition to your daily life.
Perfect for cooking, baking, or enjoying straight from the glass, it brings a touch of luxury to any recipe.
From the tree to your table, nature's absolute perfection, bottled for you.